Okay, all right, so this last video is going to be just on this final section right here. So you've already done all of your pre-flight, you've done your fix. So now you know that you are on the 42nd radial from the Lufkin Vortac right here at I believe it was 27.5 DME. So you're going to go ahead and you have that point to this point here. So now you're going to go ahead, let's just follow along with the included notes. So first you're going to find your true course. So the true course, how to determine that, is you're going to take your dividers, you have your fix to your final location, right? So go ahead and place that along the line, and then go ahead and line this up with the horizontal. The horizontal is going to use this internal, and then you look at the scale right here, and that's going to say right about 187. So 187, and then we can go ahead and ensure that we are on the sectional scale. The sectional scale is going to be, you can see right there, this is the wax scale. We don't use the wax scale. So then you go ahead and you determine the distance between the final location and the fix, which is right about 44 nautical miles. All right, so now what you can do is go ahead to this right here. We just determined that the true course is going to be 187 and the distance is 44. So then we're going to go ahead and determine our magnetic heading. So based upon the information that we have, you're going to apply the 48 and 22 or 52 and 22. So you should still have it on there. So go ahead and then rotate. You're going to rotate until your new true course is going to be at the top, so 187. So 187. And so now you should see that you have a tailwind of about 16. You can erase this line. That one shouldn't even be there. 16. And then your crosswind is about 12 from the left. So right about here, 12 or 13 from the left, and then right here is going to be right around 15 or 16. So that means you can go ahead and you can do circle tailwind, go ahead and put 16. Your crosswind is going to be right about 12 from the left. And then you can determine your crab angle, okay? So now on this side right here, you're going to place your true airspeed, which is 75. Line that up with true airspeed. And then the outer circle, you're going to find 12 right there. And then you line that right up. So that means you're going to have a crab angle of 9. So your crab angle right here is going to be 9. So that means that you're going to be crabbing into the wind 9 degrees. So in this example, you're going to go ahead and take the true course, which is 187 minus 9, and then you're going to use that to get your true heading. So you're going to have 187 minus 9 is 178. So your true heading is going to be 178. And now you can also determine your ground speed. So your ground speed is going to be you have a 16 knot tailwind, so it's going to be 75 plus the 16. So that right there is going to be 91. So now that you have all this information, you should be able to figure everything out by just using your whiz wheel. So let's go ahead and just go to this last page here. So you're going to calculate your new estimated time that is elapsed. So we determined that the distance between the fix and the final location is 44 nautical miles. So it's going to be speed over your rate index over distance over time. So you're going to be finding the time. You have the speed, rate index, and the distance. So go ahead on this side. The speed is going to be 91 for your ground speed. Line up 91 with the rate index. And then your time is what you're looking for. And the distance is 44. So you're going to pinch this and rotate around till you get to 44. So you have 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. That looks right about 29, I would say 29.1. So 29.1, that's going to be going right here. So 29.1. And so 1/10 of a minute is going to be 6 seconds. So it's going to be 29 plus 0.6. And then for this part, you can just go ahead and add it. So I showed you right here. It's going to be 23 hours, 27 minutes, and 24 seconds. And then you're going to add this time of 29 minutes and 6 seconds. So you're just going to add those together. This is going to stay 23 because this does not exceed 60 minutes. So you add these together, 56 minutes, and then 24 and 6 is 30 seconds. So your new estimated time of arrival is going to be 2300, 56 minutes, and 30 seconds Zulu. So then you can go ahead, put that right here, 23, 56, and 30. You can go ahead and calculate your fuel remaining. Again, as you see, I'm going out of orders. It doesn't necessarily matter unless they're asking for it in a specific order, but once you get all of these values, basically everything else you can just do in any order that you feel like you want to. So we're gonna go ahead and figure out the leg fuel for this. So it's gonna be your fuel flow over the rate index. So the fuel flow we talked about was 95. So 95 over the rate index. And then the time we just figured out was 29.1. So you're going to find 29.1 on the inside. So that's going to be right there, 29.1, and that lines up right at 46. So that means that for this leg, we're going to burn 46 pounds. So 271.5 minus 46. 271.5 minus 46 is going to equal 225.5. So I'm going to go ahead and put 225.5 right there. So one of the last things that you'll have to figure out is just your magnetic heading. So for the magnetic heading, all that you're going to do is you're going to be going from true to magnetic. So same thing here. You have your true heading, 178, minus the 2 easterly, and that's going to be 176. So very lengthy. Give yourself about an hour. However, you should be able to knock it out in about 40 minutes. That's what you're trying for. I think the fastest one I ever did was 30 minutes and I was still on track. But don't sacrifice accuracy for speed, because if you mess up one thing here, it could mess up the entire thing. So keep that in mind. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'll try to get back to them as soon as I can. If you have any further video requests, please go ahead and reach out and I'll try to make more. Thanks.